Okay, bringing it up. Watch the alignment. Sensors are green, clear to proceed. Log it. Stage 2 torque complete. Steady now, team. Good work. Next unit ready for assembly. Team, this engine is nearly flight ready. Outstanding precision. Agreed, the specs are spot on. It's a beauty. Final checks are green. It's ready to power the skies. Excellent work, everyone. Okay, check this connection here. Looks good. Confirm torque spec. On it. Setting to 80 foot-pounds. Good. Proceed to the next section. Pressure in Sector 7 is climbing fast. I'm seeing it. Rerouting auxiliary power now. Confirmed. Stability is holding at 95%. Good. Monitor for fluctuations. Understood. The airflow dynamics here are crucial for the next prototype. Agreed. The simulation data aligns with these specs. I'll pull the material stress reports. Good. That will confirm the safety margins. Let's adjust the blade angle for better airflow.
Good. Check the stress simulation.
Rerunning it, the new profile is stable.
Excellent. Let's prototype this.
Observe the precision as the arm engages the titanium. Perfect integrity. Cycle complete. Initiating laser sequence. Confirm alignment. Alignment confirmed. Power levels optimal. Activating beam. Monitor for deviations. Look, the thermal readings are optimal. Precision is within spec. Confirmed. Adjusting the feed rate now for better efficiency. Good. Now, initiate the extraction sequence. Extracting now. Here's the alignment pin. Thanks, perfect timing. Shaft ready, robot arm proceed. Copy, aligning now. Monitor confirms. Insert at steady speed. Perfect alignment, secure it. RPM is holding steady at 150. Vibration levels are low, that's good. Phase angle is stable at 45 degrees. Confirmed, we're in the green zone. Bolt sequence initiated, torque to 80 foot-pounds. Copy that, monitoring alignment. Specs confirmed, proceed. Torque achieved, next bolt. Sparks flashing, hold her steady. Aligning now, watch the bores. Good, lower it in. Almost there, lock it down. Alignment looks good, ready to lock it? Yes, go ahead. Okay, initiating crane lift, steady now. Lift complete, looks solid. Okay, bringing it up, watch the alignment. Sensors are green, clear to proceed. Log it, stage 2 torque complete. Steady now, team, good work. Next unit ready for assembly. Observe the real-time data on the monitor. The vibration metrics are stable. Yes, and the rotation is smooth. Let's check the blade assembly. Agreed. Pointing to this rotor here, the sensors show a minor flux. Understood. I'll log that. Okay, bringing it up. Watch the alignment. Sensors are green, clear to proceed. Log it. Stage 2 torque complete. Steady now, team. Good work. Next unit ready for assembly. Torque is good. Rotating assembly. Alignment looks correct from here. Sensor readings are nominal. Proceed. Final check complete. Standby. Aligning the block now. Watch the tolerances. Holographic models are synced. Data looks good. Inserting the manifold. Torque to spec. Confirmed. Seals are engaged. Final check. Looks stable. Alignment looks good. Checking the next item. Agreed. No visible cracks here. Good. Now for the balance test. Ready when you are. Okay, check this connection here. Looks good. Confirm torque spec. On it. Setting to 80 foot-pounds. Good. Proceed to the next section. Increase pressure on the flange. We need more penetration. Copy that. Sparks are flying hot. Good. Watch for alignment. Crane team, tension up. Team, this engine is nearly flight ready. Outstanding precision. Agreed, the specs are spot on. It's a beauty. Final checks are green. It's ready to power the skies. Excellent work, everyone. Systems check complete. Ready for ignition. Confirmed. Cell is secure. Ignite. Ignition sequence started. Stand by. Thrust building. Look at that heat shimmer. Full burn achieved. Holding steady. This one's almost there. Torque wrench set. Yep, set to 80 foot-pounds. Ready. Good. Go for the head bolts. On it. Feel solid. Perfect. Check alignment. Align. Next set. Initiating calibration sequence. Alignment confirmed. Execute pick and place. Operation successful. Monitoring output. Alignment on the fan blades is critical.
Spec confirms within tolerance. Checking logs.
Base mounts are secure, no vibration.
Wiring insulation intact.
Good. Proceed to full diagnostic.
On it.
The turbine blades are seated. Let's check the sensors. Readings are stable, no anomalies. Good. Let's verify the fuel line connections. Pressure is nominal. We're clear. Excellent. Let's move on to the next station. Initiating spool up sequence. Copy. Monitoring systems are green. RPMs climbing. Thrust at 50k newtons. Confirmed. Temperature and pressure stable. Holding at 8,500 RPM. Flow rate is stable, temperature is climbing. Good, pressure is holding at 2.1 bar. Confirmed, reactor core is nominal. Adjusting feed rate now. Looks good, monitor for oscillations. This fan section looks good. How's the pressure reading?
Stable at 250 psi, no anomalies.
I'm securing the mount now.
Checklist is complete. We're ready for the spin test. Team, check the east sector. Throughput is spiking.
Confirmed, a 30% surge from the last update. It's the new deployment. It's holding steady.
Good. Monitor it closely. Alert me to any anomalies.
Pressure in Sector 7 is climbing fast. I'm seeing it. Rerouting auxiliary power now. Confirmed, stability is holding at 95%. Good, monitor for fluctuations. Understood. Keep it steady, watch for overhead clearance. Roger that, path is clear ahead. Easy now, keep her steady. Down a bit more, watch the alignment. All right, cranes engaged, lift on my mark. Clear below, engine steady. Good, hoist away. Okay, bring it forward slow. Got it, moving steady. Good, lock it in place. Easy now, down slow. Hold it there, aligning. Roger, holding position. Okay, lift it up, slowly. Copy that, we're guiding it. Good, keep it level. Roger. Okay, let's do a final check on the wiring. Right, I'll check the fan blades. Look here, this connection looks secure.